demonstration for the PLC and the programming operation. Okay.
菜单，新建文件，
转英文吧。
菜单，转英文吗？
Change to English.
菜单
Menu. 等一下。
请
Zero and pound signal.
菜单，新建文件是否会是
Reset. 看搞过来这。Demonstration
文
for
件名
add point, line, icon, and ring.
文件名保存，
Add a new file name.
然后打
这
点，
屏幕有点反光，放固定在一个位置。
打点，单点一单点，
Now add the point. Okay.
一单点
Press 1. 不行，这屏幕不太行。
一单点
Press 1 at point and this as is moving to the point you want. And right here is 1 is low speed and 2 is middle speed and 3 is high speed to adjust the precise position.
确定
Okay, the first point
确定
save and press 1 again at another point, moving to the second point
然后 OK，
and press save again and press 1 again at the third point and save and press 1 again at another point and keep this at all point. Yeah, press 1 and move as is to the position and save. Save. 1 again, moving. Save.
第二个导线段
Okay, next at the line.
第二导线段
Press 2 polyline at line program and moving the axis to the start point. This is the start point and save and moving to the next to the next quarter to okay, save the point and keep moving to the next and save. Keep moving to the next and save and keep moving to the next save and next to the end save and finish this polyline program. Next we go to the IC screw
圆弧
the curve
四是不是？是不是
curve is
圆弧是哪个？第四是吧？
这个是弧线，这个是应该是圆弧吧？
这个圆弧那就四嘛。
这个整圆。
四
Press 4 to select arc. It's this program and moving to the start point and save and select the second point on the arc. Any point is okay. Okay, save. And to the end point, and save, and finish. You will see a arc over there. 3 point to make the arc. Okay, next to the ring. Ring, select file, circle. Circle, select file. Okay, moving to any point on the ring, and save the first, and moving to the next, the second, and save, and moving to the third point on the circle, and save the ring on. Okay. Okay, we go to the final program line. You can select 6. Yeah. 6 is more program. Okay, select 6. A lot of program you can select. And select 2 line. Okay, press Y, select 2, and yeah, select 2, select, and moving to the line start point. Okay, save, and keep moving to the end, and save. Now all program done. Okay, save, and this file number is 2522. So you can press run to test this program.